Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong full moon in Capricorn sa July 11, 2025 at 4:36 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So if you're interested in private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so for you, Cancer, especially Cancer rising, itong full moon in Capricorn is happening in your 7th house of relationships. So maaring merong kasi ang full moon is about endings, release, culmination. So some of you pwedeng there is a relationship that is ending for you, or you are leaving a situation like a connection. Can be romantic, pwede ring friendship, or a very close connection for you, na maaring you feel like hindi na kayo nag-align, no, ng person na to sa inyong mga plano, or magkaiba na kayo ng gusto nyong tahakin sa buhay. Pwede tong maging dramatic pero not really, no, kasi pwedeng ito ay for practical reasons. Maaring na-realize nyo na okay, hindi na kayo talaga mag-work out, no, para sa isa't isa. You feel like there is something that you need to uh, meron kang kailangang ayusin sa sarili mo, na pwede kasing hindi lang yung partner mo ang may problema or may issue, pwedeng ikaw rin, and alam mo yon sa sarili mo na kailangan mong ayusin yung sarili mo. Pwedeng meron kang mga iba ng gustong gawin, may iba ka ng plano sa buhay mo na maaring hindi na kasali yung person na to. This can be a friend, ha? Pwede rin tong romantic partner. You feel like there is something that you need to focus on. Pwedeng sa pag-aaral, sa trabaho mo, or ibang opportunities for you. Yung iba naman pwedeng hindi naman talaga ending na may separation. Pwedeng dahil may kailangan kang puntahan na ibang lugar, so somehow magkakaroon kayo ng physical separation. But not necessarily yung ending ng relationship. Pwede kasing nadestino ka sa ibang trabaho, or kailangan may puntahan ka ibang lugar for a few months. So, kumbaga, meron talagang magkakaroon ng distance para sa iba sa inyo. So, some of you meron din kayong realization about what you really want in your life, no? Maaring yung person that you are connecting with or situation na meron ka ngayon is hindi na, kumbaga, hindi ka na ganun ka-interesado doon, or meron ka ng ibang gustong gawin. Pwede rin kasi itong sa business partnership. You may be ending a business partnership. Iba-buy out mo yung person na yon para sa'yo na talaga yung negosyo. Wala ka ng kahati. Or baliktad, no? Iba-buy out ka ng person na yon, yung partner mo, business partner mo, para sa kanya na yung negosyo. So, just take whatever resonates na para sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may bago kayong ipo-pursue. Pwedeng mag-aaral kayo, or you have a lot of plans, oo, actually, na gusto nyong gawin. So, ngayon, pumipili ka ng priority mo. And I feel like yung priority mo sa ngayon ay yung sarili mo. Priority mo kung paano mo mas mapapaunlad yung sarili mo. Maari kasing for the longest time, medyo dependent ka or umasa ka sa ibang tao, and ngayon, sarili mo naman ang gusto mong i-develop, yung gusto mong maging mas malakas, to be more independent. What is the energy of 7th house? Oo, napag-desisyonan mo na to, na with the Justice card and the Three of Pentacles. You want to grow. Gusto mo na mas makapag-focus pa sa ibang bagay, no? Na lalo na kung umikot yung buhay mo sa isang tao lang, at ngayon you want to spread your wings and fly like a butterfly. You want to explore new things. What is the energy of the first house? Two of Cups. Oh, okay, okay. This is interesting. Yung iba, puwede ring hindi lang sa sarili ninyo kasi puwedeng meron na kayong ibang nahanap na gusto niyo maging partner or maging part ng buhay ninyo. Puwede naman kasi 'to na, ah, bagong kaibigan or someone na nagre-resonate ka talaga or can be a totally romantic partner na you feel like nandun talaga yung interest mo sa kanya or meron kayong, ah, meron kayong certain connection na mas mas matimbang kaysa sa dati. Some of you naman, this can be your higher self, yung sarili mo. Mas gusto mo mag-focus sa, pag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Kasi kung hindi ka masyadong naalagaan ng partner mo at ikaw lang lagi nag-aalaga sa kanya, so siyempre, you owe it to yourself na alagaan mo ang sarili mo, 'di ba? I also see an offer for you. Maaari itong offer na 'to is mahirap tanggihan dahil maganda ang benefits na makukuha mo. This can be related to your job, your career, or other opportunities. What is the third house? Page of Cups. Yung iba gusto niyo mag-aral, yung gusto niyo pagpatuloy yung pag-aaral ninyo or mag-try ng mga bago na gusto niyong matutunan. Kasi itong matututunan niyo na 'to will definitely improve your skills, yung abilities ninyo. At 'pag mas marami kayong abilities, mas maraming opportunities. Oh, 'di ba? Mas maraming abilities, mas maraming opportunities. And maari ring medyo nahihirapan kayong mag-decide for this, 'no, kung talaga bang kaya na ng oras ninyo, ng inyong, kakayanan, ng inyong, schedule, especially if you're very busy right now. But eventually, you will be able to ano, make that decision kung ano talaga yung makakabuti for you. Yung iba kasi ano, yung relationship that you're trying to let go of ay sinusubukang ayusin ng partner niyo, eh. Kaya lang I think yung magiging decision mo rito is kung ano yung mas practical. Go for it. Ayan, yung Moon in Aries. So this is about a new beginning that you want to explore. Gusto mong alamin, gusto mong maging expert dyan. Or ano man yung plano mo, go for it. Try new things. Explore. Oh, luck is on your side. May swerte sa inyo. Swerte yung ano, mga sisimulan nyo ngayon. So, whatever that is na gusto mong simulan, kung ikaw ay confident enough to make things happen for yourself at may naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo na hindi mo kailangang umasa sa suporta ng iba. Although maganda rin naman na meron taong ibang sumusuporta sa'yo, but syempre mahirap rin yun kasi hindi mo sila kontrolado. May paano kung bigla na lang hindi ka nila suportahan. So at least ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, kaya mo suportahan yung sarili mo. And if ang iisipin mo ngayon sarili mo, then congratulations kasi it's time to love yourself and focus on yourself. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.